What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the RAM in the 2010 to 2012 Mac Mini. I have two 4 gig sticks right there, which is 8 gigabytes we're going to be installing in here. These are not matching sticks. I recommend you guys do research on your specific Mac Mini model to get the proper density and speed sticks that you need. So to get started, you'll need your Mac Mini, you need some RAM, and you'll need either a shirt or a towel. So let's get started. I'm going to flip this over. You twist this. It's a little circle that you have to move it over to the other circle, like so. There's 4 clips here, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. You have to pop those, and that'll release the RAM. Put the RAM to the side. Pop the other clip. The second one can be kind of tricky, but pretty sure you guys can get it. Then we're going to put in our new RAM sticks. So as you can see, it's very easy. We just upgraded the Mac Mini from 4 gigs of RAM to 8. Flip it back over and you're all set to go. Just need to plug it in and get going. So until next time, YouTube, thanks for watching.